Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is 4th September and I am on leave today just to do the trading. Yeah, sometimes I keep taking the leaves and do the full time trading on a particular days, but I cannot take on regular basis, right? I mean, a IT job, as you know. So I also hold some strategies. If you see my last video, I have a bi-weekly iron fly, monthly, weekly iron fly calendar spread. We'll see this. What is the status? I think many of you asked about it. That's the reason I created video, and I am also on leave today. So let us get into. Let me pull. Sorry, what is the point to this? Yeah, I pulled the screen from laptop to big screen. Yeah. So this is a bi-weekly iron fly. I think this sixth is going to expire. Currently, this is how it is looking, and we are sitting at 17,000 with the capital of 3 lakhs. So this 3 lakhs is including extra sell legs that I'm selling from the C side. Um, yeah, so this is the straddle I created at 44,800. With the bullish view, market is trying to move up and still at 44 close to 600, another 200 points. It's very easy for the bank nifty to move 200 points if the market gaps up with to the 45,000. That means 500 points. I will move to this last zone, and I have made a counter plan for that. I'll show you guys what is the plan. And if the market gaps down, I will be into break even, but I will still have the time because at sixth end of the day it is going to give me a 500 rupees loss, and until then I still have some profit. I can sell extra from this side. Maybe I can sell little closer. If the market start moving, I just keep selling from the top so that I get some profit here. Okay, so I could have made this loss zero loss, iron fly by now. Also, maybe I'll show you guys how to do that. But I have a different plan. And today, with the reference of this, bi-weekly iron fly, I utilized, this volatility and made some profit. I'll show you guys. So at somewhere at this point, I started selling, good quantity of C, somewhere around 400, 500 in a periodic manner. So at this place also I started selling some stop losses it because intraday I'm selling extra quantity nowadays. Overnight I sell, um, I reduce the quantity whatever extra. I'll show you what is the overnight that I'm carrying extra. So if you see here, the C started giving good, and at this place I exited a extra, C's somewhere at this rejection. And then I had 225 quantity of C and started selling P in this green candle, but stop loss hit. Again, I started selling the P extra from this place, and that has started giving me good profit. And let me show you directly here. If you see, end of the day, I'm carrying 225 from here and 150 here. But during intraday, sold extra here. Some at one point, pyramidically, what do you call it? A staggered manner, pyramid, right? So you keep on adding. So this has given really good profit. And if you see, this is 71,000. I started the day around 31,000. How do we see? What was the day I started? Okay, I think I will also show you the P&L for the last month as I agreed. Okay, monthly basis we will see the P&L from now onwards. That is what I said. But little risk. This is going to be risky for me because I'm doing job. Let us see how it goes. There are a lot of risks involved in when you are going to job. So this is the profit. A lot of brokerage, especially in the expiry days. At some on some days I had given 5 6,000 also per day. Too much of brokerage. I have to work on this to control. So the capital, I think, started with 20 lakhs, and now it is 22.4. And yeah, so today the P&L is MTM is showing a 71. So how to know how much we started with? Let me open fourth, right? And starting from first, we'll see. Okay, yeah, today I started with 31 as the 31k was there already, and then it is 71k. That means 40,000 is the this is what we gained today. And that is mainly with the support, huh? I was started selling extra here because iron fly was there, so that has given me reference. So the direction of the market, keeping that as a reference, I started selling this at one point too many quantities, and reversal at one point I started adding, kept on adding the quantity here. And in the end of the day, I don't want to carry extra quantity from here. I just I'm just keeping 150. That's what I'm saying. So in the new iron fly intraday, um, selling will be more based on the direction. And if I see the brokerage today, there are, because I had too many shares, see, I kept on adding 45, 45, 60, exiting 45, exiting also staggered manner. So buying also staggered manner, exiting also staggered manner. So that was also little too much of brokerage nowadays. Because but the whenever there is a profit, it's okay, but there are loss making days, then also we have to give brokerage. So then it will be like we feel very bad at that days, because of the brokerage and loss both will be there. Coming back to the strategies, so what if there is a big gap up? So one thing I could have made this zero loss by bringing the legs closer. Let me show you guys. So I could have come here at least by one leg by paying extra 30 rupees, and here I could have come by one or two legs also. Here 7 rupees, here another 12 rupees. That was not a big amount. I could have done it. So we have 15 lots this side. And mm, mm. So I'll also exit. Yeah, what if I exit? Maybe we can also do like this if it makes sense, because it's like I'm selling. I exited these things. That we can exit in this somewhere here, or we can also do this. Okay, so I had exited the existing legs and purchased. I one leg closer came inside here, two legs came inside here. So now the minimum profit at least 5,000 will have. So currently it is running at 17,000, right? So minimum profit will be locked at 5,000. Maximum, we can play for a maximum profit here, because we are not losing from the pocket. It is the profit that we are giving back. If it goes to 5,000, so we are giving back some profit, but we can stay here. So because we are not losing anything out from our pocket and pocket, so and it will help us to stay in the strategy, and we can earn that. I could also done that, but I am handling in a different way. If there is a gap up, generally nifty and bank nifty both will be gapped up, right? So there is very rare situation bank nifty and nifty will go in upward direction. So I have taken one spread, bull call spread. If there is a huge gap up, this will give me profit to compensate the loss here. I could have done it in the bank nifty also. So this I've taken for anyways for the next week, and there will be good liquidity here. And generally, bulls call spread, bear call spreads, I do with nifty. So I still continued with the nifty. And if there is a gap down, there is not a big loss. Next till next week we have time. If it reverses, there is a say good risk reward. 1:4, I guess, or 1:5 is the risk reward. So as I'm little bullish. So this can give me profit. I think people who have seen the debit spread, when it goes in up, when our view goes wrong, what we can do, we can simply sell extra quantity from here. I mean, their premium will not be the same, so there will be maybe in the zero break even or slightly negative instead of 4,000 loss. And when it comes down, so if continues to come down, you can sell, come closer by one more leg, and not beyond that it will become credit spread. If you can sell, if you start selling from here, if it continues to move down, then we can exit and can create new strategies. But the probability, we know, I have a view to the upside, and if there is a big gap up, I can compensate the loss from that. That's the plan, bull call spread. And another strategy, is calendar. Look at this. So after so many adjustments, this is how it is looking. 5 lakhs is locked, and I have not get good profit because if you see the IVs are continuously dropping. Today also 3% drop. So calendars are good when the IVs increases. Otherwise, calendars will not give good returns. So if the market expire somewhere in this range or this range, I'll still have some profit. Otherwise, as I said, if the IVs goes high, so this graph will increase and we'll have a good profit. Let us see how it goes. Target is 1% to 2% in biweekly also here in this. And there is another strategy, monthly, weekly, and fly. Currently, it's going good with the monthly because my view was bullish. I created when market was somewhere at for so yeah, somewhere here, right? So market is slightly going up. If it continues to come down, I'll sell weekly from the opposite direction. That's the plan. Okay, guys, that's a quick update for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.